Explore the Namibia Desert. The Namibian desert is one of the oldest and driest deserts in the world. It is home to some of the highest sand dunes in the world, including the famous Sossusvlei. You can take a hot air balloon ride over the dunes or go on a guided tour to explore the desert's unique flora and fauna. Etosha National Park is one of the best places in Africa to see wildlife. It is home to a variety of animals, including elephants, lions, giraffes, and rhinos. You can go on a guided safari tour or drive yourself through the park. Discover the Skeleton Coast. The Skeleton Coast is a remote and desolate stretch of coastline that is home to shipwrecks, whale bones, and other eerie sights. You can take a guided tour of the coast or explore it on your own. Explore Swakopmund. Swakopmund is a charming coastal town that is known for its German colonial architecture and outdoor activities. You can go sandboarding, quad biking, or take a scenic flight over the desert. Visit the Himba tribe. The Himba tribe is one of the last semi-nomadic tribes in Africa. They are known for their unique customs and traditions, including their distinctive red ochre body paint. You can visit a Himba village and learn about their way of life.